Right there. Center or we're gonna have to come my way.
Okay. Go
As
ahead.
much as you can.
Yep, go ahead. Good right there. You?
No. You might want to take a look at this side and know better than me, but
Go ahead. Whatever you gotta do.
yeah, that should be okay actually.
Alright. Get it down where it needs to be and then we'll...
Take a your expert eyes over here. Not too bad, I don't think.
Oh, that's fine. See what you do with this area here.
Yeah, I did that over there, so. Okay, you see there's a little bit of wrinkles left in here. We're working them out. You can rub on them, apply some pressure, a little heat, and then it'll help take them out. Remember, it's 54 degrees right now in this warehouse. Well, that looks better on this side for sure than the dry fit. Yeah, it looks pretty good over here. It's a little on the small side. I think we're okay. I just kind of smushed it down.
Oh, looks good.
And as you can see, the wrinkles will come out if you work on it a little bit and the molding fits properly. Oh, a little slow.